Yankwadhi mbele ene jatenda piny Kenya William Ruto onyiso yiene piny Kenya ni lai makare madongruok. Ruto wacho makano yuore lamo e kanisa ma Christ is the Answer Ministry sita mekadak makare ne buore Nairobi. Kanisa ma sita ne yango higni 25 nyaka ne chake badeno makare. Elimbe mare kanisa mar Christ is the Answer Ministry. Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto goero kamano ne ute lamo ko jodolo kuom lamo ne piny Kenya enyate kinde yiero mokalo gino mowacho ni nomiyo piny Kenya obedo kod yiero mokwe maonge tulo.
The last election was a difficult moment for all of us, but when I saw bishops in Bomas praying for every moment and every step of the way, holding vigil across the night so that Kenya can have a peaceful election, I have nothing but admiration for the church and for the men of God who came through so that we can have a peaceful election in Kenya.
Kano uwe wilimbe mare manotike thuolo machoke piny Korea ma milambo. Jatend piny Kenya no kwa oganda jo Kenya mondo keti yiene piny Kenya ni kod nyalo mar medo berore kendo bero ngima oganda ma pachuka.
As we slept, the president traveled thousands of miles away and arrived in the country at 3:45 a.m. to be here with you.
The last time there was a head of state from Kenya who visited Korea was 35 years ago. I was reminded that this is a country that Kenya was lending money 30 years ago. Today, it is the 10th largest economy in the world. And when I saw them sing, it came to my mind the words of Zechariah 4:6, where God was telling King Zerubbabel, it is not by might and it is not by power.
Ruto wacho ni omor ni kweth makwedo piny owacho tiyo tijgi kaka owinjore, kakoro singo ni ng'ur mar kwethno e wiki telo mare ok bimore chopo singo mano singo ne oganda jo Kenya e kinde campaigns mage.
The building of the wall by Nehemiah continued even as Sanballat and Tobias were talking. Never mind Sanballat, never mind Tobias. Let us focus and we will build the walls of our nation.
Again, our detractors using the press put a screaming headline: Moi era chiefs are back. That is how malicious these people are.
We pray that the Lord will help our president to continue leading this nation together with our deputy president and all the leaders, our governor of Nairobi and all the 47 governors. And I can tell you for sure that we have a great nation. Let's continue representing Christ in the marketplace and in the places that God has given us.
Jatend piny Kenya no ten kod minode Recho Ruto. Jalup jatend piny Kenya Rigathi Gachagua, Governor ma County ma Nairobi Johnson Sakaja kod jotelo mamoko.